Hey, what's up, money seekers? Welcome back to the channel where we explore all the exciting ways you can turn your hobbies into a lucrative side hustle. Today I've got something super exciting for all you gamers out there. Are you ready to turn your gaming skills into real cash? Imagine getting paid to do what you love, playing games. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's time to make that dream a reality. But before we dive into the details, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of my videos on how to make money online. Trust me, you won't want to miss out on these tips and tricks. And hey, drop a comment below with your country so I can create videos specific to your region. I want to make sure everyone gets the best advice tailored to where they live. All right, let's dive in. Today I'm talking about Blitz, a gaming competition app where you can win real cash by playing your favorite skill-based games. Yes, you heard that right. Real cash for playing games you already love. Whether you're a solitaire master, a bingo boss, or a pool shark, Blitz has got you covered. The app features a wide range of games, so there's something for everyone. What sets Blitz apart is that it offers a variety of games so you can pick the ones you're best at. Here's how it works. First, you choose a game that you excel in. This way, you have the best chance of winning. Users can participate in cash games by paying an entry fee and competing against other players for cash prizes. It's that simple. The entry fees are usually quite affordable, making it accessible for everyone. And guess what? Blitz also has a referral program. This means you can earn even more by inviting your friends to join the fun. The more friends you invite, the more rewards you can earn. That means you can earn rewards by inviting your friends to join the fun. Imagine having a gaming session with your buddies and earning money at the same time. It's a win-win situation. Now I know what you're thinking. How do I get my winnings? This is a crucial question, and Blitz has made it incredibly straightforward. Blitz makes it super easy. You don't have to jump through hoops to get your money. The app is designed to be user-friendly, ensuring a smooth experience. You can withdraw your earnings via PayPal, Venmo, Apple Pay, or even direct bank transfer. These options make it convenient for everyone, no matter where you are. No fuss, just cash in your pocket. It's as simple as that. You play, you win, you get paid. What could be better? So if you're looking to make some real money while doing what you love, give Blitz a try. It's a fantastic way to monetize your gaming skills and have a blast while doing it. Trust me, you won't regret it. The app is legit and the opportunities are endless. Plus, it's a great way to challenge yourself and improve your gaming skills. Got any thoughts or questions about Blitz? I'm here to help. Your feedback is super important to me, and I love hearing from you guys. Leave them in the comments below. I make it a point to read every single one and respond as much as I can. Your questions might even be featured in a future video. I read every single one, so don't be shy. Let me know what you think, and let's get a conversation going. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn on notifications to stay updated on future videos. Catch you guys later. Your support means the world to me, and I can't wait to bring you more awesome content. Until next time, happy gaming and happy earning.